You are welcome once more. Please go inside and freshen up.
Thank you. Who is that lady with your father?
Ah, she's just a friend.
A friend? Just a friend?
Yes, just a friend.
Just a friend how?
Anita, you just came in. Please, just go inside and freshen up, right?
I will not go inside until you tell me who that lady is, because you know you have been sleeping around with all those village girls.
Anita, will you stop that? Withdraw such statement right now. Withdraw it.
I will not until you tell me who that girl is to you or your father.
Anita, how do you see me? A street dog? Is that how you see me? The man that walks out there sleeping with every villager that he finds.
Prince Udon Naya. I want to know who that girl is. Or I take my thing and leave this place.
Then suit yourself. It's just say, for God's sake, I will not stand here and receive such insults from you. Don't do that. Excuse me.
Ow! You're leaving! No, you're leaving me here! What's the meaning of this nonsense? Oh my God! I know you hate me. I know you hate me. Yes, you hate me. I am leaving for good.
Son?
Father.
Just take a look like this.
Hey.
You did a nice job.
This is so beautiful.
I'm telling you.
Has she gone?
Yes. Do you know what? She did not collect any money. She did not take a dime from me.
That is so thoughtful of her.
She said they are all gift to us. Honestly.
She needs to be commended. This is good.
Yes, she's a good woman. She is.
Look at me. This is just me. Complete.
Don't like father, like son. Let's take a look. See, look at your daddy's son.
Hi. It's beautiful. It's beautiful.
Maka and Joy. Yeah. Good afternoon. So where are both of you heading to?
We are going to my house.
Well, I can see. My nephew's birthday is coming up on Sunday. So I'm inviting both of you to come. And I'm assuring both of you that the professor will be live.
Oh, the professor.
Are you serious?
We'll be there.
We'll be there.
Yeah.
We'll be there. So I am in charge of the food, drinks, everything. All I just want you both to do is just come and enjoy yourself.
Just keep something for us.
No,
very special stuff for us.
Both of you are covered.
Thanks.
Alright, take care. Bye.
Yeah, bye.
Babe. Oh, that.
She made this for you and your father.
Yes. They are nice, right?
Yes, they're nice. She's a nice woman, like your father said. And you concord.
I don't understand. What do you mean?
I'm sorry, never mind. What a nice gift from a nice woman. How I wish I am as nice as she is. Who knows? I would have been valid.
I don't get all these rules. Who said you're not a nice lady? And who equally said you're not valued here?
Stop it. I am not. Stop pretending and be a man. I am going to find out the relationship between you and that girl.
Just look at the woman I intend getting married to. Wow.
Don't enter. Professor Professor of photographer don't enter. Professor she's more than a woman. She's very beautiful. But she not dey fear at all. She's very gallant.
Aboma. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. My dear, where are you headed to?
I was on my way to Chisoba's salon to fix my hair for tomorrow party at Hilary's house.
Don't tell me you want to attend children's birthday party.
Hey, my sister. It's not for children alone. The professor will be there live.
Are you serious? In that case, I will attend. Let me hurry home and wash my clothes.
Hey, let me run along so I'll meet on time.
I'll stop by your house tomorrow. So that both of us can go together.
Okay.
It's not you that like enjoyment.
Look at you.
Oh, bye-bye, Bye-bye. Hey.
Not here either. I think I should go and check outside.
Babe! Baby! Baby! Babe! Hey!
Yes, ma'am.
Do you know where my fiancé go?
I do not know.
What do you mean by you do not know where he went to? And you're standing here! Hey! You come over here! Sorry for yourself and not me. Where does my fiancé go to?
I don't know.
What do you mean by you don't know? Where did he go to? You didn't see him and you're busy standing there without the priest in the building. Are you alright? Are you people mad? What is wrong with you? Get out of my sight! Out! Out! Get out!
Photographer don't enter. Professor. Urebore abatago. Professor. Professor of photographer don't enter. Professor. Urebore jina abatago. She's more than a woman. She's very beautiful. But she not dead.
And I came to say thank you for the gift you gave to myself and my father. I mean, the pictures are so nice. They have good quality.
You're welcome. Why don't you pick your call? The person has been calling since you arrived here.
Don't worry. I will attend to the call later. I mean, I know why they're calling.
Okay. I forgot to ask you, how did you know my house?
I asked and I was directed here. You're quite popular here. I mean, HAD professor. I heard you have a birthday party to attend.
How in God's name are you getting all these informations about me?
Your fans, they are virtually everywhere in this village. You're quite popular. You're a celebrity, I must tell you.
The professor, not the celebrity.
Professor.
I know they do things. You see that that significant great. I love it.
You do?
Yes, I do.
So I've been meaning to ask, why did you choose this line of business?
You're getting it wrong. It's not business. It's a career or a profession. Just the way we have doctors, engineers, nurses and all of that. You can't call it business. Okay, what am I selling?
I'm sorry about that.
So you have to rephrase your question.
I'm sorry about that. So how did you choose this profession? Why?
Well, I have to leave now. I have a birthday party to cover and they're already waiting for me.
Oh, I can take you there.
You don't
right?
have to bother.
No, just to make the whole thing easier. I can take you there, right? I insist. No, I delayed you.
It is my prince.
Sister, everybody are waiting for you and everything is set for the party.
Okay, let me quickly get my...
Let me get you your bag.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. How old are you now? How old are you now? How old are you now? How old are you?
It's our baby's birthday. So we are wishing her more intelligence, long life. Okay, let's go for a picture.
The professor. Prof, I can a picture.
Yes.
Wow. Please, you are welcome.
Smile, say cheese. Baby, say celebrate, say cheese. Okay, one more. Okay, daddy and mommy, leave our baby. Okay. Baby, now you're going to come close to your cake, right? Come close to your cake, hold the knife. At the mention of Jesus, you will cut it, then I'll take pictures. When I say J, you say J. J! J! I can't hear you guys. J! 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 E! S! S! U! S!
Where has he gone? He is not taking my course. I am sure he is up to something
and he does not want me to know his whereabouts. Yes, I know it.
Anita, where is my son?
Your Highness, I do not know. I was asleep when he drove up. I am calling him and he is not picking my calls.
Are you saying Udonna went out without telling you when he's coming back? I hope he went out with a guard.
No, Your Highness. He's alone. My king, I am having these feelings that the prince is having a secret affair outside.
How would you say such a thing to a crown prince of this land? How would you?
Your Highness, his actions say it. Yes, he has been behaving and acting weird since I came here. Let him pick my call and tell me that he is not cheating on me. My king, he cannot deny it.
It's okay. Calm down. Just calm down, okay?
My king, the prince is taking me for a fool. Yes, he is treating me as if I am nobody. My king, if your son does not want me anymore, he should say it. Yes.
Anita.
My king.
I think you are misunderstanding my son here. Yes.
No, I am not. I know what I am saying, my king. Okay, let him pick my call. Let him pick my call and deny it. Let him say that he does not have any woman that he's going out with. I am sure he cannot say it, my king. I know what I'm saying. I don't know why the prince is doing all these things to me. I don't just know. I am trying my best as a good woman, but he is not seeing all my efforts.
If I don't enter, Professor Urebore Abatago, Professor of Photographer, don't enter, Professor Urebore.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
Yeah, how are you? Who among you saw my son driving out in the afternoon?
I did. In fact, we both did, Your Majesty. We were outside that time.
And he did not mention where he was going?
Yes, Your Majesty. He did not talk to any of us, Your Majesty.
Right now, both of you should go inside the village and search for him. Did you hear me?
Okay, yes, Your Majesty.
Ask everybody that you see about him. Don't come back here without a report.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Go immediately. Even his phones are all switched off. Hey, Borga.
I am disappointed. Totally disappointed. Why will he live here without not telling me? I am sure he is somewhere enjoying himself with his mistresses. But no problem. It's okay. It's all my fault. Okay.
Prof, don't enter our village. Professor of photographer. Aye, she don't enter. Nobody will be gang. Check your photo, them man. Very clean and beautiful. Professional. Professor don't let me. Professional.
I'm tired. I can't go further. The king said we should not return without a report about the prince's whereabouts.
And how are we going to do that? Have you forgotten how big this village is? Where are we going to start from?
Let's not give up yet. We will try our best.
Prof don't enter our village. Professor of photographer. She don't enter. But they will be gang. Check your photo.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
Fast.
Look at it. Someone that calls himself the prince of this land. What was he doing at the little baby birthday party? What? I'm waiting for him. Let him come back and meet me in this house. Rubbish. What is she doing here?
Greetings.
Who are you? What are you doing here? And I ask again, who are you?
I said I'm here to see the king. Well, if you must know my name is Echezona, the professor. The best photographer in the whole West Africa. The records are there. So, I'm here to see the king.
I demand to know who are you to this family and to the prince.
You must very stupid to ask me such a question. What gave you the temerity, the impetus to ask me such? Who are you again, if I may ask?
Thank you for asking. I am Anita, Princess fiance. So I demand to know who you are to my man.
You sound very pathetic. So if somebody asks you of your profile, you will tell the person, Princess fiance. Princess fiance. So you sleep a man for a living. That's what you do for a living, right? Well, you have to respect yourself. If you don't, I will be left with no other option than to throw you out of this palace.
You're mad. I can see that you're out of your senses. How dare you challenge me? I will skin you alive. Now get out. Get!
Yes, ma'am.
Take this bunch of idiots out of my sight.
Please, I can't do it, ma'am. I don't want to do it again.
What? How dare you say no to my order? You are fired. Get ready to leave as soon as the king is back.
You should be the one to pack your bag. Yes, he's not going anywhere. You're just a mere girlfriend or probably acquaintance. You do not have the right to hire or fire any servant in this household. Do not allow me to throw you outside where you belong. That's not possible. Who are you again? Let me remind you that you do not have the right to hire or fire any steward in this palace. If there's anyone to pack his or her bag, it should be you. Miss Tanduka, I'm at the palace. Okay, I should be coming back. Alright.
Look at her. I know you're one of his mistresses, but I will so deal with you if you try this nonsense again. Stupid animal. Nonsense.
Throughout my 1 week stay at the hospital, you did not deem fit to come visit me. Why?
I am ashamed of you, that's why.
Ashamed of me? How? Why?
You nearly lost your life because of that girl. You said she's just a friend, but you abandoned me here just to go be with her all day. You are lucky you survived it.
That's an insult, you know.
You deserve it, Udonna. What did I do to you? I have been faithful to you, yet you treat me like a slave. Did I do anything wrong to love you?
What is the problem? Why are you accusing me wrongly? What have I done to deserve this?
If you have nothing to do with her, why did you leave me here? You sneak out because you don't want me to know where you were going to. No problem. I don't have any issues about that. But one thing for sure is that I am going to deal with her to the extent that she will regret ever being born. Trust me, and I'm going to do it.
Why have you decided not to be positive with me? You are always negative towards me. You find fault at every given time.
Because you are never positive, and you know it. Please, I don't want any distraction. I want to be focused. I want to be left alone. Please and please, I am begging you, mind your business.
Prof don't enter our village. Professor of photographer. Aye, she don't enter. Obode wembegang ole. Check oyo photo dimma. Kapo kwa puliche. Very clean and beautiful. Professor. Professor don't let me. Professional photographer.
But I give you one ball, make I drink. I don't know what is dying.
Mama, you come one ball. My hero.
My guy.
Hey! Bro!
The professor of photography is here.
Prof, clear for you now.
Professor will hear you.
You wanna be my guy. So I'm here to invite you for my studio opening. Yes. I just want to start small, then from there I can expand it. Yes. Good afternoon.
Thank you.
Please, I'm opening my studio.
Okay, which day is that?
This is by weekend.
This weekend or coming weekend?
Yes.
Prof, anytime, any day. We're there for you now.
Let me tell you another exciting news. All the pictures I'll be taking people on that day will be free.
Wow! Are you serious?
Just to celebrate my studio.
Yes.
Professor!
Let me go. I'm going around sharing my flyers.
Clear road for one and only Professor. Professor has come to stay. Clear road for one and only.
Clear road for
one and only. Clear road.
Prof don't enter our village. Professor of photographer. Aye, she don't enter. Obode wembegang ole. Check oyo photo dimma. Kapo kwa puliche. Very clean.
You are welcome, my prince. The professor was here this afternoon and she said I should give you this.
Oh. Thank you. You can go. Anita, what is the meaning of that?
Have I not warned you to stay away from that girl? Why is she sending you that Ivy? What is your business in studio she wants to open?
Can I have the card?
Oh no, you cannot. I've had it enough!
Anita, can I have that card?
Prince Odonaya, I said no! In fact, what? Rubbish!
Why did you tell the card?
What teacher saw? Next time I see you close to that guy again, I will see her just the way I tore this card. Yes, you heard me right.
You bad. You are very, very stupid. In fact, I cannot continue like this with you. I am done.
Fine! No, fine! You've been looking for this platform, this opportunity to say no. Let me tell you, go ahead and do it. But don't forget, if I see that girl anywhere close to you, you will not like what I'll do to you, Prince Udonaya. You will like it! Rubbish!
I am really sorry for you.
And I'm also sorry for you.
I am sorry.
I am sorry for you. I am sorry for you! Nonsense! I blame myself. Can you imagine? Okay, it's not your fault, it's all my fault. No problem. Because of that idiot.
Photographer don't enter. Professor Urebore Abatago. Professor of photographer don't enter. Professor Urebore Gina Abatago. She's more than a woman. She's very beautiful. But she not dey fear at all. She's very gallant, when she snap photo, you go know the professional. When she snap photo, when she snap you photo, you go know the professional. When she snap photo,
abomination.
Good afternoon. Wow.
Get out from there before the gods strike you.
Oga, calm down. What is it?
Abomination. Hello.
I don't understand. What have I done wrong?
Walk out of this place. Whether.
I'm just taking pictures of the place. I want to promote our culture.
Stop it.
Stop what? What is it? You don't know me from Adams. Why are you being mean, harsh on me? Why? I'm just trying to take pictures of the gods, post it on the internet, and I'm sure it's going to go viral.
Stop it!
Stop what?
Stop it!
I was just taking pictures. Look at you. You look good. I was just... Oh my God, look at that.
Get out of here! Get out!
Okay, fine. I understand. But let me tell you something. You look amazing and very African. If I take a picture of you and post it on the internet, I bet you're going to be featured in CNN Africa.
I said get out! Get out from here!
It's not that serious.
Get out!
My name is Echezona, the professor in the profession. I'm the best photographer in the whole West Africa. I snap pictures for a living. I cover events and all of that. So when I was just passing taking pictures, I saw, and this place looks so great. Like, I just wanted to cover it, post on the internet, and make our tradition trend.
Get out from here! Okay. You are defying the land! Get out!
Listen, would you want to trend? If I take a picture, because this is so unusual, right? If I take a picture of you like this and post on the Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, everywhere, I bet you will trend.
I said get out! Get out!
Listen, I charge for this, but I'm not going to charge you. I'm that nice. I like what you're putting on. Just post for me.
Say come out! Come out! You want the gods to strike you?
The gods are not human. They are not hot-tempered.
The gods will strike you now. And death will be your portion. Death will be your portion. The gods will strike you. The gods will strike you.
Can you come?
You have defied the land.
If I show you...
And you are going to pay for it.
You will love. Hey. Hey, my dear. Echezona the professor. Yeah. That girl is too much. Do you know that nonsense wedding pictures Paulinus did for us? Yes. She corrected everything.
Are you serious?
I'm telling you.
How did she do it?
I don't know. Eh?
Wow.
It is now that I know why she's called the great professor.
Indeed. The original.
I'm telling you.
Something is definitely not right. Ezomo doesn't come out by this time.
I'm surprised though. Eh?
If something terrible is about to happen, I'll see you later.
Don't enter. Professor Professor of photographer don't enter. Professor original Abatago. She's more than a woman.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
Ezemo, this is unusual.
Something terrible has happened in the land, and the gods are angry.
Tell me who the person is, and I will punish him or her immediately.
She said her name is the Professor, the original, the great.
Echezona, Ezemo, what has she done?
Summon her immediately and do the needful. I take my leave.
What has she done? What has she done?
She has to be summoned here before it is too late. Yes.
Paulinus! What is it? Paulinus, have you seen this?
Have you seen this?
She's opening another studio.
Yes. Paulinus, this girl has taken over your business in this city, in this village. Paulinus. And I don't know why someone like you will allow that. Paulinus.
Udoka, you are talking as if you don't know who I am. Don't worry, I will take care of this.
Paulinus, I don't know how you are going to do it, but this girl, Professor.
Ah! Who made her a professor in my field? Who made her a professor in my field? Don't you ever try to call that name Professor again in my presence.
I'm sorry. I'm just trying to tell you that if that girl succeeds in her plan, you are gone forever.
Let her go ahead. I'm not stopping her. Let her go ahead with her plan.
Why?
Because I have my own plans.
Which is?
Best known to me. Look, this village suddenly have forgotten my antecedents, my history in the past. But not to worry. Very soon, very soon, I am going to do something that any ear that hears it will tinkle. Yes, Very soon.
I hope you are not trying to kill her. My hand is not in that one, no.
Udoka, you have overstayed your welcome. You cannot leave. I was busy inside when you came knocking. Leave.
Paulinus, that is one thing with you. You don't listen to anybody.
Prof don't enter our village. Professor of photographer. She don't enter. Over there we began. Check your photo dimma. You don't know the professional. Capo police.
Good morning, sir. You're welcome, sir.
Thank you.
Please, my sister is not around.
I am not here for your sister. Where is your father?
Papa is inside. Let me call him.
What about that?
Papa! Papa!
You're welcome.
Thank you.
No, you're not.
Thank you. See, this is very urgent. Look for your daughter. Anywhere she is. I heard that the SMO reported to the Igwe that she was caught desecrating the land.
My daughter?
How? What did she do? That is why you should look for where she is and find out what happened. You know, the SMO does not come out by this time without anything. I've said my own. Oh, I'm going.
Thank you for the information. Wando! Come here. Go and look for your sister wherever she is. Tell her that I need her right here. Now, that's very important. Go!
Just about it.
Come on, get They are not discussing my daughter. Hey!
Cindy, as I am talking to you now,
Oga Poli.
I hope you have not come here to continue that your nonsense talk about the so-called professor.
Oga Paulinus, something terrible has happened. The professor has desecrated the land. She was caught inside the shrine, snapping the deity.
Are you sure? Is this true?
I heard that the Igwe has summoned her to the palace.
This is the end of the so-called professor. I said it. In fact, I, Polonius, will make sure that she will not come out of this. In fact, I will make sure that she will face punishment, and that's final.
Are you sure that that is possible?
My name is Possible. My name is Paulinus, aka Polybombastic. Paulinus, aka the man with the top gun. Let's call it a day on your own side. For me, I am heading to work.
I can see you. Polly.
I am.
Igwe, the truth is, I did not just come back to reshape the socio-cultural lives of our people. I am also here to promote our heritage, our culture. Yes, I took pictures of the images I found in the shrine. That's because I wanted to post them on my social media platforms so I can promote our culture. The way white people are doing their Halloween, a lot of things about their culture, they promote it. Even people who have never traveled out, we get to see these things about them on the space of media. I'm supposed to be paid for it, but I decided to promote our culture. Igwe.
You see, our shrine is a sacred place, and it's forbidden that women will enter there. It is a taboo, and the punishment is banishment. You'll be banished out of this community and your family will be excommunicated. Nobody goes there, nobody enters there, if you must know.
It will permit me to tell you that this is the one of the problems we Africans have. We fight for the gods instead of allowing the gods to fight for us or fight for themselves. Why won't a woman pray? Ezemo will prove to me why it's forbidden for women to enter that shrine. I learned is a woman deity.
Are you now challenging our custom and tradition?
No, Egwe. I am nobody to challenge our custom and tradition. Our custom and our tradition, some of them are against the right of women. A woman has the right to go before the deity and seek for favor. That is the truth. If our culture and tradition, which is supposed to be way of life, is against our rights and freedom, it should be amended.
Stop saying things you don't know before the king.
Even the king knows I'm saying the truth.
You are making matter worse.
I am not. I am being sincere.
Echezona.
Igwe.
Leave my presence.
Thank you.
Echezona, you shouldn't have spoken to father like that. You should have shown some remorse.
The truth must be said regardless of who is involved. Your father and Ezemo needs to understand that women are not supposed to be forbidden from praying in that deity. Female deity.
We are talking about our tradition that has been there even before our forefathers.
It doesn't matter how long it's been in existence. We can affect change, and that's why Echezona is back to this village to reshape things. Make it make sense to me. Even the gods of our land answers women prayer than that of a man. Most of the problems we are having in families today because women are not allowed to pray, they are not allowed to make sacrifices. If they are allowed to perform their divine duty, I bet you there will be drastic positive change.
You may be right though, but we are talking about an age-long tradition. A tradition no one has deemed fit to challenge, not even the King of Kings.
The fact that it's been in existence for too long doesn't make it right. Somebody needs to stop it. Let the gods fight their battle. I beg to take my leave, my prayers.
I like her guts. Very, very bold.
Tell me who made it possible? Your mama, your papa. Only God made it possible.
Hey.
Sister? Thank you.
Echezona.
Papa?
What happened? What did you go tell me?
The question should be, what did I tell you? Because whatever he told me is inconsequential. It is high time, Papa, some changes are effected in some of our tradition. Yes, you see Igwe, his cabinet members, even Ezemo, I will teach all of them what they do not know.
Hey! Our daughter does not know the gravity of our offense.
Echezona, I am sure you did not say all this before them.
I said more. And I'm not coward.
Hey!
I am not. I am a professor. When I said I'm back to make a change, I knew it wasn't going to be easy. But I'm here. That's all that matters.
Hey!
Ah!
Papa!
Hey!
Hey! Hey!
Papa, you told Igwe all this?
Yes.
Ah!
Papa, you and Mama should go and beg Igwe now. Go and beg Igwe. Hey, beg Igwe for who? Beg Igwe for who? He said you should go and beg Igwe. For what? For what? Please don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. If you want to be a weakly, don't attach me to it. I know my right and I stand on my right.
What do you want to beg Igwe for? Did I steal? No. Did I take somebody's husband? No. Did I lie against someone? No. What did I do that you're going to beg Igwe on my behalf? What did I do that you're going to beg Igwe on my behalf? Respect yourself. I am not scared. And I'm not weak. No man born of a woman can intimidate Echezona, the professor. Do I said?
Echezona, this is not a matter of weakness. Hey!
Sister, you are in a village. Things are not done like this.
In the presence of the king, Igwe.
Hey!
She fears nothing. She fears nothing.
Oh God.
Why are you laughing?
I can see that you're troubled. I am so happy the gods have done it. Very soon she'll be banished from this land and the prince will concentrate on his love. Anita, you need to take it easy. Just calm down.
This girl has gone completely mad.
I am so sorry, darling. Such is life. Please take heart. Oh God!
Father, what next? Do you want to banish her?
Her offense is unpardonable. I do not have the power to decide.
Father, you're the king of this land. And I believe you have the final say.
I wish I have the final say like you said. Remember, we are talking about our tradition.
Yes. Yes, our tradition. But Father, are you going to sit there and allow that girl go through that harsh punishment? No. Perhaps some of these laws ought to be amended by now. But we are not longer in the dark days. Things have changed. I am really serious about this.
Listen to me. I am ready to pay more money. All I need is you and your friends to come en masse and support the motion for her punishment. That's all I want. Wait, I'll call you back. I'll call you back. Ha! The professor! In fact, I at least expected someone like you to come around my abode.
Mr. Paulinus, I greet you.
On top of the afternoon, Professor, to what do I owe this unexpected conversation?
I want you to desist from your evil way. Yes. I want you to stop hunting me because you cannot pull me down. You're going about lobbying all the cabinet members to force Igwe so that Igwe will banish me. Why are you doing that?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Why did you allow jealousy to overcloud your sense of reasoning as old as you are?
Like I said, I don't know what you are talking about.
This is the last time I'm going to have this conversation with you. Don't dare me. I am unstoppable. I am unquenchable. I am unchangeable. You cannot do anything to me. My chi is with me. Stay away from me, else.
Hey! Imagine a little child. Just because everyone around here calls her professor, she now has the effrontery to come talk to me in this manner. Ha! In fact, she is banished already. Imagine!
Wow! Anita, are you serious right now? Does it look like a joke? Cynthia, the cause has finally eliminated my enemy. Yes, very soon she will be kicked out from this village and out of my man's life. Wow! That's good. That's good news. I love that, babe.
Yes, baby, good news indeed.
But you know what?
My man has never been himself ever since then, but I do not care. Yes,
Is he bothered?
Bothered? He's troubled. Yes, is that not enough reason that he has been sleeping with that girl? But I don't care anymore because that has been my past and my sorrow is over.
Sweetheart, I'm so happy for you.
God. Thank you.
This is called for celebration.
Yes, darling.
I'm so happy for you. Finally.
Yes,
finally,
baby.
you're now a happy woman.
Greetings, Azamo.
Why are you defiling the land of Omokpo? Be gone!
Azamo, I said greetings.
I said be gone.
Bana Barago. Azamo, I'm not coward. And I will never be. I just want to understand why women are forbidden from coming to the shrine, even when it's a female deity. Why can't we come here, offer our prayers, offer our sacrifice, just like the male gender?
Do not incur the angers of the gods. Be gone!
Ezem, I understand you're a very humble servant. But I appreciate your work. But make it make sense to me, Ezemo. Why are women forbidden from coming to this place, offering their sacrifices and praying here? Why? When it's a female deity. Why? Why are we not given the opportunity?
Echezona.
The gods. Allow the gods to fight their fight.
Echezona, what are you doing here?
I came here to have a main conversation with Ezemo, but he's embarrassing me and telling me the anger of the gods will be on me. Let the anger of the gods be on me. Let them fight their battle. The gods are not weak.
You're not supposed to be here.
Even the gods know I'm saying the right thing. I want to make verification.
I came here to say Zemo on your behalf. Please leave.
Take her away from here before she meets her death.
The gods cannot kill me. You know why? The gods are with me.
Take her away!
Joy, I've been worried since I heard this news. Eh? The professor cannot just be banished just like that. Because she was seen snapping our shrine somehow now.
My dear, I'm more worried than you are. I'm more worried, honestly. She has made a great impact in our lives in a very short period of time. She can't be banished just like that.
Yes.
Honestly.
You're saying the truth. She has. The Igwe and his cabinet should consider her achievements. It's not fair now. They cannot just banish her like that. It's not fair.
Yeah.
Let's go. Now listen to me, everybody. We are going there as one body, with one mind and one spirit. Do you understand?
Yes.
Let's go.
Let's go. Yes, I'm happy I saw you both here.
What is it? What's wrong? Why are they used with you?
What happened?
The problem is that nobody, I repeat, nobody will banish the professor from this village.
Yes! Exactly what I was discussing with Amaka here.
Yes.
What are we going to do?
We are mobilizing the youths. We're heading down to the Igwe's palace. We must tell him our stand. And it must stand!
Yes! It must stand.
Yes! Let's go.
Let's go.
Papa, listen. Let them not try to. Make my son. Papa, no, leave that one first. Let them not try to. They should leave the professor alone. It was the God that even sent her here to liberate our people from that miscreant called Paulinus.
Exactly the truth, Papa.
Yeah, go. This is not talk for women. You see what I'm saying? Discrimination among women. What the professor is preaching against.
God bless you, my darling.
Papa, the first thing remains that the professor stays. And moreover, that law abiding this kingdom that says it's only men that are allowed to go to the Abba shrine should be abolished. They should allow both men and women visit the shrine. Moreover, the deity is a woman. So they should allow everything just go alongside.
Well, you can go and see the Igwe and his cabinet. Better still, consult the SMO and make your point known.
Papa, it's obvious you are not in support of this. Don't worry, the youth are already gathering. I'm in support and I'm going to follow them up with this.
Eke, Oria, Afọ, Nkwọ. Ajụjụ ka abịa. A ga-enweta ya. A sị onye chọọ ọfụ.
Ezemo, what is the next solution to this? Kindly commune with the gods so we can hear what they have to say.
My prince, there's only one solution, one option. Asking me to consult the gods is making a mockery of our tradition.
No, Ezemo. There must be a way. I am telling you, please. Oba deity is a female god, full of mercy and compassion. I am very sure she will understand us.
The truth must be said, regardless of who is involved. Your father and Ezemo needs to understand that women are not supposed to be forbidden from praying in that deity. Female deity.
We are talking about our tradition that has been there even before our forefathers.
It doesn't matter how long it's been in existence. We can affect change, and that's why Echezona is back to this village to reshape things. Make it make sense to me. Even the gods of our land answers women prayer than that of a man. Most of the problems we are having in families today because women are not allowed to pray, they are not allowed to make sacrifices. If they are allowed to perform their divine duty, I bet you there will be drastic positive change.
You may be right though, but we are talking about an age-long tradition. A tradition no one has deemed fit to challenge, not even the King of Kings.
The fact that it's been in existence for too long doesn't make it right. Somebody needs to stop it. Let the gods fight their battle.
My prince, why should you be doing this? You are the next future king of our land. And you have to protect our heritage.
We're in a modern age. And some of these traditions need to be amended to suit our present time. There must be another way. I'm very sure the gods will understand if we communicate with them our wishes, make it known to them properly. They will understand and grant our wishes. I will take my leave, Ezemo, and I'll be expecting to hear from you.
Who is this young lady that the prince is doing everything for? Even the king is reluctant to make a decision.
I know very soon I'll be so busy. Very busy. I wonder why Igwe and his cabinet are wasting time to make this pronouncement. Why? What this delay all about? Oh, is there something I missed that I'm yet to understand or what?
Wale?
Why are you always running as if there is something running and chasing after you?
Wale, there's fire on the mountain. There's fire on the mountain. The youths are moving to the palace in their number.
And what is your business about that?
Wale?
Yes.
They said that Professor cannot be banished from this land.
Do you know that I am still wondering why Of all the people in this community, I chose you as a friend. Why are you always coming here with useless information from the palace? And you believe what they say?
Pauline, nothing is impossible. Those youths are not joking. You needed to see the seriousness and the determination in their eyes.
Go home.
Pauline.
I said go home! I'm serious in my business. Leave my office. What arrant nonsense are you coming here to tell me? Are you coming here to give me a heart attack? Or what? I thought you are my friend. It is now that it's dawned on me that you are not my friend. Are you sure you are not part of the problem I have in this community? You were here when I was taking Vasoprine and Lisinoprine because of the heart attack I have been getting. And you are coming yet to give me another problem. Do not make me think towards your direction. What arrant nonsense! Just when I thought I have a peace, this animal will come here to give me another heart attack. The Igwe said, are you Igwe's cabinet? Are you one of them? Nonsense.
What is that noise at the gate?
The youth, Your Majesty.
The youth? What do they want?
They are demanding to see you, Your Majesty.
To see me? Okay, let them in.
Okay, Your Majesty.
The youth. What do they want? Anyway, let me wait for them.
Don't enter, Professor. Professor.
I heard some of the youths were here today.
Yes. Almost all the youths of this village. I was amazed. They came to beg that professor be forgiven.
That's really amazing, Father. I met some of them while coming back this evening, and they were all saying the same thing.
But you know they don't have the powers to decide. We have custody of culture.
Father, they say the voice of the people is the voice of the gods. So they are fighting a just cause. This afternoon I visited Ezemo at the shrine. I discussed the same thing with him.
And what did he say?
Excuse me, I'll be right back. Let me take this call.
She fears nothing. She fears nothing.
You see, there is no cause for alarm. I've already sent for Onowu to come so that we do the needful and at the same time appease the gods. Yes. I will call you back. Ezemo is here.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
Ezemo, you're welcome.
You're welcome, Ezemo.
Thank you, my priest. I brought a message from the gods. Since after my discussion with the prince yesterday at the shrine, I decided to consult the gods. That young lady is a special one. The gods have heard the voices of her people and pardoned her. But she must bring a very big cow on the next Eke market day.
May the gods be praised.
These are the message from the gods.
Thanks to the gods.
Father, it is settled.
Indeed, it is settled.
I am so happy.
Same here. So,
What am I hearing? Are these children daring me What's the meaning of this?
Professor Kaigesu. Professor Kaigesu. Professor Kaigesu. Professor Kaigesu. Professor Kaigesu. Professor, let's go. Professor Kaigesu. Professor Kaigesu.
This is a clear temptation. They want me to begin to slap them one after the other. But I know the law. I am going to face Ezemo. Ezemo is a big fool. At least my camera is safe. They did not steal it. They did not steal my camera. They can go to hell with their professor. The highest thing I can do is to leave this village. If at worst, because I know the law. I know the law.
Son, I was told the professor came here with an invitation card.
Oh, yes, Father.
And you don't want me to see it?
I'm sorry, Father. I forgot. The invitation is about her studio opening.
Yes, she told me. She called me on phone. Anita, are you alright?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Oh yeah, you seem so calm this night.
Oh, yes, everything is fine.
It's alright, enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
She fears nothing. She fears nothing.
Anita, what are you doing there lying on the bed?
What do you mean?
We're supposed to go out.
So where exactly?
You don't understand. We were supposed to go to Chesna's invitation, as Father said.
Tell your father I said I am not going anywhere.
You can disrespect me, but not my father.
I do not care. Yes, I don't care. You think I don't know? You think I don't know that your father is supporting you to cheat on me?
What are you talking about? What rubbish are you vomiting?
Please, I don't need any disturbance. I don't want you to disturb me. Go! I don't want to follow you. Just go and leave me alone.
I don't blame you. I don't.
And I don't blame you too. I blame myself. I don't blame you. What nonsense. Please. Hey, can you imagine?
Son, you are still around?
Oh, yes, about leaving.
Where's Anita? Is she not going with you?
She's not feeling too strong.
It's okay. You can go now.
Alright, I'll see you when I return.
It's okay. Please, good care of yourself.
Yes, Father.
Cindy, as I am talking to you now, he is there with her. Tell me, what will the Crown Prince be doing at the opening ceremony of a studio? Just a studio!
Anita, there is something the prince is not telling you.
I am not a fool. I don't need to be told.
Babes, you need to do something fast about it before it's late for you.
Trust me, Cindy. By the time I am done with that girl, she will wish she was never born. And as for the prince, he will hear from me soon.
Whatever you want to do, you have to be fast about it. Delay is very dangerous. And in case if you need my assistance, I can assist you. Yeah.
Cindy, I would like you to do something for me.
Mention it and consider it done.
Oh wow, that is so amazing. I mean, your concept, coming out from your studio, your concept is something I've not seen for a long time. I used to see that when I was in abroad.
Thank you so much, my prince, and I promise you will see more of them. I'm back not just to, do my business, but also to promote our culture. You see those things you saw? You're going to see more of them.
This one I saw. It's one of its kind in this village. I saw one mosaic artistry job you did.
I'm humbled. You love them, my prince.
I am impressed.
Thank you, my prince. I appreciate your comment. I appreciate it.
Alright, I'll take mine.
Alright, thank you so much.
Okay.
It's an honor to have you, my prince.
Honor
Stay
too.
safe.
She fears nothing.
Easy. I am stupid if I say this. You are my kind of woman. The woman that makes my heart beat. I am always happy anytime I am around you. Goodness, you have the purest of hearts. And I say to you, if you permit me, please be my queen.
The prince wants to marry the professor. That sounds strange. I mean,
AJ, I am not joking. Just say yes to me and I will walk to my father